Uh-oh! Uh-oh. Looks like someone's back.
What?
It's a little sunny outside today, as you can see. A little bit of snow we got on the ground here. That does not change. Look at the Tesla. That does not change the chest day we're about to. Oh, yeah, zoom in on that one. Yeah.
More love instead. So can we hold it for a spell and leave it in a lair? I want it to be true to be like you. My heart sings a chorus out of tears. And I could leave it on the shelf or keep it to myself. But nothing could conceal the things I feel, my love. Can you teach me to be real?
Commandments.
Oh boy. Are you ready for this? I'm ready for this. I haven't worked out in 2 months. That was a joke because my bench went up 5 pounds. That's also a joke. I've never seen Brady so happy in my life.
Dude, these things are actually crazy, even with no weight on them.
I'm excited.
You missed the re-rack.
Gymshark, bro.
Wait, Brady's got Gymshark?
I got
really? Gymshark now, yeah. It's Gymshark.
Oh, wait, that's actually fire. Code Brady.
Use code Bush.
He's tucked it in.
He's stuck in. You need a spot, bro?
If only we could fly. Limp Bizkit style. John Otto, take him to the Matthews Bridge. Can you feel it? A generation.
Oh, I can do this for reps.
Yeah?
I haven't benched for a month and a half, so
Sounds like an excuse, bro.
I'm full of them.
We're making excuses. I haven't benched in 2 months.
We left at the same time.
Yeah, Brady defies gravity and time.
Defies time.
Lord of Time, Brady Link. He unlocks the 25th hour for food.
Get up! A generation.
What, bro?
I'm hearing their conversation.
About the Jets,
I
baby.
need music.
Are you ready? Do you know where you are? Welcome to the jungle, punk. Take a look around. It's Limp Bizkit, left in town. We downloaded the shockwave for all the ladies in the cave to get your groove on.
Oh, yeah.
Baby, I'm the one who flew over.
Woo, how we feeling?
I'll take that. Not great, but not awful.
Who's next? Who guess who's next? Generation X, Generation Strange. I'm leaving shine through in the bay. So go ahead and talk about me. Go ahead and talk about my generation. 'Cause we don't give a fuck again. We won't ever give a fuck again. Tell you about me and my generation. Hey kid, take my advice. You don't wanna step into a big polish. Captain's drunk, your world is Titanic. Flipping on the floor, so get your groove on. Maybe I am.
He's finishing his set, but I think we're gonna do pec deck. Everyone like left. I'm not even sure what happened.
I have to listen to Brandon. I was playing Minecraft yesterday or something.
He's from home.
he has them at mixed match weights after we just said it's at mixed match weights.
My right tack is like very. He's flipping.
He's gonna throw it at you, bro.
Is that optimal?
Nobody likes a copycat, bro.
I'm doing more weight than you. They got dinosaurs in here, bro. I'm okay, guys.
Never mind.
Let's see it. Oh, that was powerful. What is that? What are you doing there? What are you doing? Is this scientific?
Wait, no way. Wait, how fucking. 3 sets is fighting the ops, bro. I'm not sure.
Chess Club. Amanda Travesky says, those says registration available when I try.
I am in the chess club.
Oh, I'm queening it.
I play this game called Let's Touch Brady.
Funny skit, bro.
Dude, I almost died.
Brady, do the thing.
see that.
Do the thing with the skeleton. Do the roar and pound the shield.
Do it, please do it.
Pick up the stick, the straight part, and do the roar.
What? Yo, this dude's swinging, bro.
Just
Look at him. See him?
move your elbow, bro. Oh, and he's gone.
You don't have to record this part. My left arm's up. I'll give you room.
All right.
Alright, so I don't know why I'm doing this, but apparently for the outro, I'm gonna jump in the snow.
Okay, let's go.
There's people and I'm scared. What if I like fall and die?
It's
What's the game
content.
plan?
We'll Logan Paul this shit.
Should I you think I should open this?
No.
No, keep it.
Yes.
Keep it closed. Hold on.
All right, now make an angel.
Oh, it's on my back. Okay, it's actually at my crack.
Okay.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Oh, it's so cool.
I hope you all enjoyed the video.
No, me in. What are you doing?